Hi guys, how you doing? I want to describe what's due for milestone 6 final submission. And to do so, let's start with milestone 6 task 1. What's due with milestone 6 task 1 is your first set of your stationary system. I say stationary system, that's spelled S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. And what a stationary is it's a set of a business card, an envelope, a number 10 envelope, and a letterhead. And that's a basic identity package for any business. Again, it's called a stationary system, spelled with an E, and it consists of the business card, the envelope, and the letterhead. Okay, so for milestone 6 task 1, you will have completed your first stationary system based on what you had submitted in milestone 5 and the feedback you've received from that. Okay, so in this submission, you will have submitted a business card, a letterhead, and an envelope. All right, so for milestone 6 final submission, what we're going to do is we're going to submit 2 more sets of stationery, okay, for a total of 3. Why 3? Because one is going to have your logo that we developed in milestone 2. One's going to have your word mark developed in milestone 3, and one's going to have your monogram developed in milestone 4. Okay, so by the end of the class, M6 final submission, you will have had in your arsenal, in your portfolio, so to speak, you will have 3 sets of stationary system. Okay, that means you will have 1 set of stationary system, including a letterhead, a business card, and an envelope with your logo, your client's logo. Then you'll have another set with a letterhead, a business card, and an envelope with your client's monogram. And then the third, you'll have another set, a letterhead, business card, and envelope with your client's word mark. Okay, it's important to understand that these are not the same design. So in other words, you're not just going to take what you've completed for milestone 6 task 1 and take out the logo and drop in the monogram. That's not how it works. It has to be a different design, a redesign. So so again, you're not just taking your compositions from milestone 6 task 1 and changing out and dropping the logo or the word mark or the milestone in where the logo is. Let me show you an example. All right, and I'm going to use Amy's. I'm going to use Amy's as an example. I'm sorry, Amy, I should have asked your permission first, but let's go to milestone 6 task 1. Let's take a look at what Amy has submitted. Okay, so if we take a look at, okay, so here's what we have. I'm going to back down off this. So here's the letterhead. Okay, it's got the logo. Here's the envelope, got the logo, and then here's the business card. It's got the logo. All right, so what Amy will do from here is she'll take her word mark and she'll recompose this. She'll design a whole new letterhead using the word mark. Then she'll design the envelope and the business card accordingly. Then she'll design a third set with the monogram. So she'll have 3 sets of stationery, one with the logo, business card, letterhead, envelope, business card. Then she'll have another one with the word mark, letterhead, business card, envelope, and then she'll have a third with the monogram, letterhead, business card, envelope. But you don't just want to change this, keep everything the same, and just change this out to the monogram, okay? You definitely want to recompose so you have 3 different designs for your portfolio, 3 different designs, 3 different compositions, 3 different stationary design systems, one with the logo, one with the monogram, and one with the word mark. Okay, so that's what is due for milestone 6 final submission. And I just want to point something out to you guys. This is due Saturday, July 22nd. That means Saturday, July 22nd. That means it has got to be date stamped when you submit it. If it says July 23rd, I can't accept it. So it's got to be in by midnight, July 22nd. Otherwise, I'm not able to accept it. So please, please act accordingly. And again, in review, okay, milestone 6 submission is asking for 2 additional stationary systems comprised of a letterhead, a business card, and an envelope. The 2 additional will include the marks you didn't use from milestone 6 task 1. So in other words, if you use the logo in milestone 6 task 1, you received feedback from that. That would be one complete stationary system. For milestone 6 final submission, you'll submit 2 more complete stationary systems. One of a letterhead, business card, and envelope with the word mark. One a letterhead, a business card, and an envelope with the monogram. So by the end of the class, you will have 3 stationary systems, one containing a letterhead, business card, and an envelope with your logo, a new design containing a letterhead, business card, and envelope with your monogram, and then yet a third new design with a letterhead, business card, and envelope for your word mark, okay? So again, in review, at the end of the day, at the end of the class, you have 3 different stationary systems. One, each is going to contain a letterhead, business card, envelope. One is going to have your logo. One will feature your word mark. One will feature your monogram, okay? I hope that makes sense, guys. And all right, so great class, everyone. I've really enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. But that's what we got for final submission. That's due Saturday, no later. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.